In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. Made simple. Voiding a check in QuickBooks Online is a clean way to correct an error while keeping a full record for your books. Unlike deleting, voiding keeps the transaction in your history, but zeroes out the amount, which is great for maintaining an audit trail and clear reporting. Start by finding the check you want to void. At the top of QuickBooks Online, click the search bar and choose Advanced Transaction Search. This brings up a powerful search panel so you don't have to scroll through registers manually. In the filters, change the transaction type to check. That instantly narrows the results to just checks, making it much easier to pinpoint the one you need. You can refine the results further if you have a long list. Filters like date range, payee, amount, or even a memo keyword can speed things up and reduce mistakes. Once your filters are set, run the search and scan the list for the specific check. When you see it, click the check to open its full details. With the check open, look down to the bottom panel and select More. This expands additional actions for the transaction. From there, choose Void. QuickBooks may display a confirmation message explaining what voiding does. Confirm the action to proceed. After you void, the check will remain in your records with its number and payee intact, but the amount will be set to zero. This keeps your books transparent and your audit trail complete. A quick note for context: if the check has already been reconciled, QuickBooks may warn you. Voiding reconciled transactions can affect prior reconciliations, so it's a good idea to review the impact on your reports before you proceed. If you're unsure, consult your accounting guidelines to keep everything aligned. Once you've confirmed the void, you're done. The transaction will show as voided in relevant reports and in the check register, ensuring there's a visible record of what happened without affecting the original check number sequence. This approach helps your financial statements stay accurate while preserving history for future reference. That's the entire process. Find the check using Advanced Search, filter to check, open the transaction, click More, select Void, and confirm. It's quick, consistent, and keeps your books tidy. And there you go. Your check is voided, and your records remain clear and compliant.